I wanted to explain an epiphany I had just the other day about breakout rooms. I was talking with some students, and we were talking about how breakout rooms are kind of awkward and that no one talks and no one wants to turn on their camera. And I teach primarily freshmen, and they were also talking about how they just don't know each other still, even though it's January. They still don't know each other. And it occurred to me that, amongst all these other things that are different this year, one of the things that's different is the seating chart. So on a typical year, I can sometimes take an hour agonizing over a seating chart because there's so many factors that I take into consideration. At the beginning of the year, I'm purposely mixing kids from different middle schools so they get to know each other, and as they get comfortable with the person sitting next to them who they work with every day, and then eventually in a group of 4 when they're doing lab activities, they start to build comfort with kids in the room. And I'm not doing that this year because of the breakout rooms. I've been pretty much just filling them randomly because it's just been easier, and I just haven't had the mental space to think about any other way to do it. But I realize that normally I do a lot of matchmaking between the freshmen of like, this kid and this kid have similar interests. Let's put them together and see if they can become friends. This kid and this kid are both really, really shy and get talked over. What if I put them together? And I think that's missing right now in the environment where, one, so much is virtual, and these kids just keep getting mixed with random other kids that they don't have a relationship with, and no wonder it's awkward, right? I mean, I think it would be awkward no matter what, but it's going to be even more awkward if every day feels like the first day of school. I don't know this kid, it's just a name on a screen. Super awkward. So Zoom just released a new feature that allows teachers to allow kids to pick breakout rooms. And so what I've done is I've asked my students who they would prefer to work with. And so I'm going to make, if I'm doing breakout rooms of 2, I'm going to make a little Google sheet. And say, okay, these 2 kids are going to be in breakout room number 2. These 2 kids are going to be in breakout room number 2. And be able to post that up. Okay, today we're doing breakout groups of 2, and then let the kids self-select. Haven't tried it yet, but I'm thinking it might put less of the ownership on me and allow them to then get into the groups without me controlling the Zoom and start to build friendships. And I'm hoping it makes a difference with my students. I'm going to check back in with them in a while, and I can let you know. So I guess how I would title this whole thing is maybe breakout rooms equal seating chart. And that if I put as much emphasis in the breakout rooms as I do to my seating chart, I think I would see better engagement and hopefully better student wellness. Mental health even should go up as they start to make more friends. So that's my idea for today to share. I hope you find it helpful.